Hello everyone, today I will show you how to transform a text box on your PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and here you will find this edit option and select text. Now click on this text box and select. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and select here arrange option and this is transform option. Click here and I'll set this point is. You can change this text box's height and width and make it wide 5 and height already select ratio 2.4. Also you can set rotation angle and you can move your text box's position here, and also you can add here share angle and add share angle 17 and rotation angle I'll set 45. Now select OK and see this text already shared and text boxes already rotated, and you can move here and see this. In this I can apply transform on a text box. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.